going back home or?
Oh no.
Okay, here we go.
We'll probably stay out here.
Okay.
Yeah.
We're rolling.
Okay.
This is or someone I heard is like, I mean, I don't know the name of it.
Yeah. The west side is more
So
inexpensive.
there is some standing water right there. So you can see that the camera is halfway in the water, which means that the grade of the line doesn't have proper fault, or possibly a restriction of some sort.
There's a possibility of what, sorry?
Either a restriction in the line, but right now the line is underwater, the camera is underwater, all that's water.
Right.
There shouldn't be any water in that line.
It shouldn't be. So what does that mean?
That means that either the line has a belly, like you were saying,
Belly, right.
or there's a restriction further down.
Okay.
Okay?
So right now the camera is in the water.
It's in the water. Well, there it's in the water.
German Shepherd also, she's cat black.
And then it comes out of the
Oh
water.
yeah, that's the water.
When I live out
Yeah.
on my home.
So it's kind of upside down right now.
Literally down the hill.
That's the actual bottom part. But see this part here, it gets submerged in water,
So it's not really like,
and then
I mean, you gotta bring
we're
your
still in water.
Still in water?
Still in water.
We should not have water?
No water.
And I knew where she was. She would head down to
Still
the
in water.
the water and she just jumped right in.
Push
So
it
when
back.
she comes back from her little daily swim, she's full of salt. So I have to rinse her down. Yeah.
Whitey, do you want to come see?
No, that's okay. I've seen enough of that thing.
Oh, this is what they did last time too, with the camera?
What was the last time? What do you mean?
What last time when they fixed the backflow?
You talking about the guy that was here?
Like
Last week?
few years
No.
ago.
Oh, no, this has been. It was
So-
further back to that. It's not, yeah, well, there's a camera like this.
They
yeah.
had the camera like
Right.
Okay.
But he's also making a DVD
So it
out
looks
of
like
it,
there's
too?
a clog
Yeah.
already.
Yeah.
Lots of
So
water, lots of water.
Oh,
I'm not seeing a clog as of yet, but we know that we are underwater. So with this problem here, you won't be able to see anything with the camera.
Okay.
We just know that it's underwater, and I'm gonna push it as far as I can.
Right. How many feet are you?
9 feet 4 inches.
You're 9 feet, okay.
Yeah. Then there's also locating for this particular type of work.
Right.
We can go ahead and locate exactly where the line is,
Right.
if needed.
So what is this?
I'm anticipating all this being grease.
Those are grease.
Yeah. So to clear out this line and actually see and get proper footage,
that's where she's.
you would have to use a hydro. It's called, yeah. Push everything out into the street and then run the camera. You see what I'm saying? Because right now you can't see anything. All you see is grease or some sort of sludge. Okay, now it came out of water at 20 feet 11 inches. But you still have a little bit of water, so I would have to go in a little further. But now we can see. Now we can see a little bit.
How did it get out of water?
When there's pockets throughout the years, the dirt settles and then the line starts to sag.
Okay.
So where it sags, it gets full of water. So the camera then travels into the water for X amount of time and comes out of the water.
McDonald's at that time was literally 2 blocks away from where we are. And he said,
Yeah, see, now we're out of the water.
the minute I'm on the phone,
What is is that the water on the top?
Yeah, so essentially it's like this. See, that's the bottom.
Okay.
Yeah.
And this is normal, right?
What is?
With a little water,
No. If you're not running water, it's not normal.
with the slope, right? The gravity, they should.
It should be. It should be at, yeah, right, at 5%, quarter inch per
5%,
foot.
like quarter inch.
Yeah. So it's not. It shouldn't be stagnant like that. But however, it may just sometimes when it builds, when the grease, because it's a kitchen sink, when it builds after a while, it creates like a dam, so it holds more water. So that's what I was saying. If you do jetting, you can push everything out, and and then run the camera, and you know, sometimes there's no problems other than just grease. So
But most likely it's just gonna be grease, ice.
most likely, all this stuff is grease. Yeah,
That's grease?
throughout the years. But you know, the good news is that it's newer plumbing material.
Oh,
Yeah.
so someone had replumbed it within the last 4 years.
Either that, either that, because if it was cast iron,
Uh-huh.
I mean, it would be just, it would be rough, really rough.
So this is a PVC?
ABS,
This is not galvanized?
not galvanized.
Going inside for the
They don't use galvanized for sewage.
Oh, not for...
Only cast iron on mostly fire-rated buildings or older homes.
Okay, so this is ABS pipe.
Yeah. See, like right now,
Uh-huh.
I'm actually pushing all the grease.
That's the grease?
Yeah, that's all grease. So what happens is, you know, if you go to Home Depot
Uh-huh.
and get like liquid Drano, or it makes a chemical reaction, so it
Oh,
creates more of a problem.
gotcha.
You see what I'm saying?
Also, we shouldn't use those.
None of that. Here,
But
I
they-
use a lot of mine.
on the
Just
kitchen,
like that is there to it's clean
do you use it on the kitchen sink?
everywhere.
Okay. Yeah. How old is your house?
From
2000.
2006,
Well, the 6 years I've been here, I've never put anything down that drain.
like
As far
12
as
years.
clean out, there's always had a plumber come out.
Got you. Well, this
My
is
husband does, he put it off and those things.
this is all grease.
All grease?
Yep. The line looks pretty good.
Yeah, the line looks good. So this is an ABS pipe, okay.
ABS. Now we go down.
But they've always used ABS pipe for the sewer line, right?
Not always. Just recent.
Recent?
Recently, yeah. Within the past, you know, 30 plus years. Whatever plumbing contractor did the plumbing here,
Mm-hmm.
he was ahead. You know, he was using newer material.
At the time.
Yeah. Hmm.
Okay. This is all dry now, right?
It's all dry. Yeah, this is great. That's the way it should be.
How many feet? Is
We're at
41.
41.5, so we're probably outside of the house already.
Oh.
41.5, so we're out in the
You're probably front
in the
of
front
house.
yard
Yeah.
at
Is
least.
this a straight shot?
Yeah. This is the
It
end of the
doesn't
line clean
curve,
out.
right?
There's a 45 right there, so it does offset.
This is a 45 now?
Yeah, 245s. It swings over like so. But to know for sure, you would have to locate the line exactly where it goes. We're gonna hit the city main here in about 10 feet, maybe less. Let's see. 58, 59. A little bit of water right there. So
What, is this a sewer main?
the sewer main line out in the street somewhere. There's a bit of a sagginess going on right there. So there shouldn't be any water right there.
So we're in the main line right now?
Not yet. When it changes colors,
Oh.
because the city uses green material or red material.
So there was some water earlier?
I'm sorry?
There was some water?
That's right.
Oh. So what was that? Why was there water then?
I mean, in order to determine why, I didn't see any restrictions. I would imagine that there's a little bit of a sag in that line.
Belly.
Yeah.
Outside. But that's outside.
Yeah.
That's on the street.
That was down like
72 feet. 74 feet. 78 feet. I think we're only able to go up to 80 on
I
this
think
one.
they didn't change the color, maybe that's
Yeah.
the street.
I think we
so-
should be at the sewer main.
Yeah, we're pretty much there. I think this reel to 80 foot, maybe 100 footed.
How wide is the main line?
Oh, there's the city sewer right there.
Oh, about 80 feet.
You see the color?
Oh.
See how it changes?
Uh-huh.
That's your city connection, which looks good. We're at 80 feet from this point, from the point of the reel all the way out. So because of the drop, you're probably talking about 75 feet from this
Here?
wall
Uh-huh.
to the city connection. Yeah.
Yeah, right out by the garage. there's a clean out
Floor
right there.
clean out? Yeah, we
You
passed.
can, you can look down in there, if you go run your snake through, you
Oh,
see the
yeah,
snake
yeah,
come
yeah,
through.
that's right.
Yeah,
There's
yeah,
a
we
clean out.
we passed that through. We passed through there already.
Yeah.
This is, okay, I see.
So
This is, the ABS pipe, is it all usually 4 inch?
should it be 4 inch?
Yeah.
It looks like it's 4 inch.
And
How many bathrooms do you have?
2.5.
Even if you have 3 inches, fine. You can have up to 3
They can
bathrooms with 3
handle.
inch. Yeah. So you're good.
Okay.
All right. So we're bringing it back. You know what? I'm gonna go grab a rag so I can clean my line as I pull it out.
Right.
I'll be right back.
So what is he saying, actually?
He doesn't, it sounds like there's not like a huge problem.
Just
But
grease.
yeah, grease, and then there might be a sag outside of the house, not inside. So I don't know.
He said after that there was the cleaning, that's what was why.
Right,
It's like,
because he
was
said
the
there is, he
cleaning
says it
thing.
seems like it's grease. There's a bunch of grease in there.
I'm sure it probably is. One thing well, grease is probably not piped in there for years.
Right.
Did you check with your assistant? Did you, she say anything?
She's working on it.
Oh, okay.
She's,
So she didn't put anything on her then?
no, not
Oh,
yet,
okay,
not
all right.
yet, not yet.
So Nancy did right before you looked at it. That's what we're worried about.
Yeah, she's technology challenged.
Yeah. Sure. I told you, I told you, I was trying to get me to rent a house down with my ex-husband's.
Oh, that's right, she told me that she was going in.
So like, over
Just a
here,
matter of
there's,
time.
those were,
She's with the son.
I mean, earlier, those,
Late
where were,
Isabel.
these are, did you say those were grease too?
Yeah, but closer to the kitchen.
This is only 71 feet though, so they're still far out. 77 feet.
Yeah, I would recommend hydro jetting
2-bedroom, 1 bath.
to get rid of all that stuff.
So some part it's clean, some part has grease,
Yes.
water.
I don't know, that place where I have to walk through
You
the
know,
house
with the
and
tape, does it show all the footage? Like,
Yes.
oh,
Everything, even what we just talked about.
Well, I guess there's some.
now it's full of water, right? What is that
Oh,
water?
that's just water running.
Oh, water running.
Yeah.
Does this one indicate the slope?
No, the locator does.
But they should have proper slope, right? I'm sure this
Yeah,
is
it should.
original.
Yeah, it should have proper slope, but there's nothing that's gonna tell you what kind of slope it's got.
Right.
You would have to put a level down there and excavate it, and you know. But we can see that right here, all this stuff is good. It's got proper grade.
Okay, no.
Those are the fittings.
So that's a fitting.
45, yeah, huh?
Okay, now, oh, that's,
Yeah, this is where it gets a little sticky right here. All this stuff. 30 feet. Yeah, see all that right
this
there?
is grease.
Yeah, you just want to clean that up with some jetting. Yeah.
But he said like every 2 years they have to do the, okay, that's all grease built up, like 20,
Yep, all that.
from here, 20 feet, 23 feet,
Yeah,
all the way to,
But like I said, with jetting, it won't matter. It'll just be pushed through. All that stuff gets pushed through all the way.
I work from home, so I don't care.
okay, now,
Everything I do, I can do.
17 feet. Now, earlier you said the camera was in, oh, now we're in water.
Yes, right here. All this.
We start, from when, how many feet we start?
13 feet, about 15 feet.
That means starting 15 feet
Yep.
backward, it's all belly.
That's it.
So why would the belly happen?
Well, it might not be a belly. It just might just be grease.
You're assuming it's a belly, it's not, it may not be a belly, is what you're saying.
Yeah. In order to determine, you have to run a jetter to find
But why
out.
would they have to water it?
Well, because are you familiar with a dam? You know what a dam is?
No.
Okay. Picture a river.
Anyway.
In the river, if we go and we put rocks, it's gonna stop the flow of the river, right? So pretend the grease or rocks is stopping the flow of the waste. Does it make sense?
Okay.
So
So the waste is built up there.
yeah.
It doesn't mean there's a belly.
So yeah. So what I would do though, I mean, just jetting will clear any kind of doubts if you were concerned about that. I think that it's fine, and it just needs to be cleared with jetting, just to push everything out of the way. Welcome back. Missed you.
So starting from 15 feet backward, we're under the water.
Yes.
This is really cute. I like this spot, guys.
Yeah.
But we're doing
Yeah, the breeze.
Yeah, yeah.
I like it.
Very
What
nice.
is warming up in here is
Yeah, you can jump off the floor, it's hot, and then
Yeah.
you can get off the floor, and then.
That's
When
nice.
you're ready,